southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ancient Oaks, or 7 miles southwest of Allentown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Fort, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Flemington, Bath, Walnutport, Belfast, West Easton, Tammany, Regalville, Steuben, Glendon, and Pleasant Valley. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 42 and 67. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 45 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.